Tired of your Klaviyo emails not matching your brand? Learn how to add your brand color in under 2 minutes. We'll click through Content, open Media and Brand, jump to the Brand tab, and save your custom color. Simple and fast. First, click on Content. Now, go into Media and Brand. From there, open the Brand tab. Then, click on Colors. Click the Add Color button. Let's select a color, purple. Now click the purple you prefer. Then hit Save. Scroll down to see if it's saved. It's on the last one. Happy branding! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.